We are the Group 1 Human Relationship, and I am here to introduce you the name of my members and myself. I am Engine Cadet Kagot Eduardo Jr. Lastimosa, and these are my members. Well, I'm the most handsome of all members. I am Engine Cadet Utaga, Assembly for the Human Relationship. Well, good day everyone. My name is Engine Cadet Karat. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy our show. Everyone, you know, I'm Danny Gabilis, you know. Oh, hello everyone. I'm Colonel Roy Siva. We are the Human Relations Group. Hi, I'm Richard Kaiwe. I'm one of the members of Group Human Relations. And we are the Human Relationship Group!
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Hey dude, do you see that guy?
Yeah, and I love to punch his fucking face. Dude, don't say that to him. He never do it to us.
Shut up! Just sit there and watch us. Shoot!
And Eggert broke his fucking face.
You!
Hey, what's wrong with you, brother? Haha, insane.
Don't call us brother. Call us broker.
No! No! Help! Help!
Oh!
Best friend,
Oh.
what happened to you? Who did this to you?
There were two big guys who did this to me.
big-
I want to kill them. I want my revenge.
Oh, I understand you, best friend. Oh, but best friend, let God punish them, and we didn't have the right also to kill them. Come on, best friend, I'm sending you home.
But can you first send me to your home? I don't want my parents to worry with me. I don't want them to see my process right now.
Okay, best friend, come on.
Kaibigan lang pala, kaibigan lang pala, nabawi ang aking pangangamba, aking nadarama, ngayon'y pag-asa na, pagkat siya ay kaibigan lang pala.
Get out, light.
Hi, Mr.
Hey, what's the problem?
What you doing? Hey, Nathan, are you okay?
Thank you for saving my life.
Oh, it's okay. That's part of my job. Are you okay now?
Yes, I'm okay, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Nicole. How are you?
I'm Adrian.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Bakit kapag tumitingin ka, natutunaw ako? Bakit kapag lumalapit ka, kumakabog ang puso ko? Bakit kapag nandito ka, sumasaya ang araw ko? Lahat ng bagay sa mundo parang walang gulo. Bakit kapag nakikita ka, parang nasa ulap ako? Bakit kapag kausap kita, nauutal-utal sa'yo? Bakit kapag nandito ka, nababaliw ako? Napabaliw sa tuwa ang puso ko. Sa isang sulyap mo ay nabihag ako, para bang di malang ang lahat ng ito. Sa isang sulyap mo, nabighani ako, nabalot ng pag-asa ang puso. Sa isang sulyap mo, nalaman ng totoo, ang sarap mabuhay, punong-puno ng kulay. Sa isang sulyap mo, ayos na ako. Sa isang sulyap mo, napaibig ako.
Oh, friend!
Oh, my friend, you're here.
How are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
I'm here because last day we've been here with my girlfriend, and I love this place, and I want you also to experience the beauty, the background of this place.
Oh, so you have a girlfriend already?
Yeah, I have.
So, where is she?
I don't know.
Where is she?
Come on, friend. Let's sit here.
Okay.
It's a long time that we've seen each other.
Yes, because, you know, I have so many work. I'm busy with my work.
It's
Yeah.
just the same.
How's their relationship with your girlfriend?
It's okay. Sometimes.
Your hand? Who is this?
Explain to me.
I hate you!
Take me to your heart, show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love.
You? Are you cold? Yes, I am. What's the problem? You are my problem. Why stay away from my boyfriend? But I love Adrian. I love him.
Habang ikaw ay naririto sa dibdib, paglalaban ko ang ating pag-ibig. Sa lahat ng paghihirap at pasakit, ako'y handang magtiis.
Love. Sorry for what happened. I didn't mean to hurt you. We're just friends. She's the girl that I saved from the one who raped me. You're the only one. The only one that I love.
There's nothing I feel, and I know that my heart will go.
You don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy.